Here is a simple guide on how to create a dollar account that will enable you access money anywhere in the world, receive money and also do transaction. You are going to see all the features: send money, invoices, virtual card and pay bills. This question become necessary following a question where I see online where this particular person ask which bank is best for dollar account creation. You are going to see the beauty of this particular account. All you have to do is I'm going to leave the link in the description box of this video. By the time you click, it will bring you to this very point where you start with your residence and other information. You click continue, then you complete the process. Then at the end of everything, you'll be having access to a platform, an environment like this where you can create all the necessary accounts. It's very simple. It will take you less than 5 minutes to do that. Make sure you get your necessary documents ready for the process. The beauty of this is this will allow you to exchange your money in very good exchange rate. Let me prove to you against what you'll be having in your conventional banks. Look at it here for USD. You can see this is for every $1, which is here you have 1,500 and something, 1,506 something. So the same thing, you look at it, the breakdown and other thing. If you compare it with your local bank, they will always charge you for their conversion rate and they will give you very poor rate. While this one will give you a much more higher advantage for the exchange rate. And the good thing there is this account is not located here in your local country. It's located abroad. So that means this account, you are getting it right here in your country when you are still in your own country and you are having access to also a virtual card. Let me show you the virtual card. You can actually see this is a virtual card that allows you to shop online and invoice. For those who are into freelancing, you can use this to send invoice to your client to pay you after doing the job. You can send money to over 80 countries in the world. That means for those who are into businesses with people in over 80 countries in the world, you can make payments while they deliver goods for you. You can also pay your bills, buy recharge card, and a host of other. So you can actually see this platform is actually very good. You can actually see this is the money somebody I withdrew $6 from cash deposit. So this is it. I don't want to go into detail to show you all my transactions. So I just show you to show you proof that this particular platform is actually very conducive and very okay. So that is the beauty of this. See you in my next video. Remember, use the link in the description box. You will be brought to this very point. Then you fill in the necessary information. You can see 3 stages. In a few minutes, you'll be having access to this feature which allows you to receive payments all over the world. Please ignore PayPal because PayPal is very risky. You have a higher risk of losing your money. For those who will tell you to use VPN, please, I recommend using platform like this. It will save you a lot of stress and a whole lot of headache where you'll be losing your money in the event of any error. This ones you can chat them directly. You can see where you can chat them directly. If I click here, once you send a message, trust me, within 20 minutes, 10 minutes, they have replied you. 5 minutes in most cases, they have replied you. There are people standby that are working at the background. Any amount, you don't have any bank deposit limit, you don't have any withdrawal limit. So thank you once again.